right, I'm back. This will be part 2. We are on the Foothills Parkway, heading to Weir's Valley. We're at the top of the Foothills Parkway. If you like what you're seeing, please give me a thumbs up. Look at these views. Come on now. Look at these views. I'm gonna slow down so you can see. Look at this. Look, 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 look. Look in the rearview mirror. Look in the rearview mirror. Say hi to Tracy. There's Tracy. We're going to get barbecue. If you watched part 1, I will put a link to the barbecue restaurant down below. Look at this. Don't you just love it when they put a bridge out off the side of the mountain? You got amazing views. Look at these views. Look at that. This view is better than being in an airplane. Better than an airplane. Better. Just hold my beer and look ahead. Yeah, that's going to be a storm cloud later. Get the Harley. Look at this view. That is an amazing view right there. Hopefully we don't have to follow the Lexus too long. But look at that view. These are the views that make you want to make the mountains your home. Look at that. Look how this just, it hangs off the side of the mountain. It really makes riding a motorcycle fun. Harley gang! Yay! Harleys! Motorcycle gang! Oh my goodness. Jeep tours. Jeep tours. What would possess you to do this? What in the world? Why would you come to the mountains and pay for a Jeep tour? Why? Why? If you're gonna do this, go rent yourself one of those side-by-sides. It'd be a lot more fun to check all this out in a side-by-side other than getting in somebody's crappy Jeep and driving around the mountains, holding up traffic. Oh, that passing zone was ruined. We are headed down the mountain towards Weir's Valley now. twisties are perfect. I mean, come on. You don't have anything like this in your state. This is only in my state of confusion. Folks, it just doesn't get any better than this. If you're vacationing, you're coming here to slay the dragon, and you think that's the highlight of your vacation, you need to get off your butt and you need to visit the Foothills Parkway, the Cherryhala Skyway, go into Nantahala Forest, check out Wayabald Road. Wayabald Road is killer. If you're at the Deals Gap store, come out of the store and take a left and get on 28 and just follow 28. Just stay on 28 for 2 hours. Just humor me. Go down and go see Franklin, North Carolina, Highlands, North Carolina. Go down as far as Walhalla, South Carolina on 28. There's some good restaurants in Walhalla, as long as you're going on a Saturday. You're not going to find anything open in Walhalla on a Sunday. If you are hitting it on a Sunday, once you get about 15 miles south of Highlands, North Carolina, there's a road on the right called War Woman Road, which will take you to Clayton, Georgia. Take that. Go get you some food. Try the Dillard House in Dillard, Georgia. But we are coming up on Weir's Valley right now, and I'm going to sign out, and I'm going to tell you thanks for coming on for the ride, and I will probably shoot another video on the way back because you guys want to see this in the other direction. But here is Weir's Valley, and if you make a right like we're going to do, it's going to take you right into Pigeon Forge and everything that is touristy about Pigeon Forge. But Weir's Valley's pretty cool. This pancake house, I'm going to give it an okay. I'm not going to say that it's great. Here's one of those places that you can rent a side-by-side so you don't have to take that stupid Jeep tour. That sloppy hog is probably amazing. Got a Nissan that doesn't know how to let traffic come out. There's nobody behind us. But yeah, Weir's Valley, here we are. Next stop is going to be Barbecue. Rogue from Ohio, thanks for pulling out in front of me. You're a jerk. Go home. And see y'all later. Bye.